Welcome to Blueye Support Tech videos. In this video I will show you how you can access the raw data collected in our dive logs. After the dive logs are downloaded from your drone, they will be stored in your phone or tablet as CSV files. So now I will show you how you can access these files through using iTunes. So let's head over to the search console, type in iTunes, open the program, and then we'll connect the phone. Once the phone connected, you might have to enter your password or trust this computer. Now, head over to the iPhone icon here next to podcasts, and then down to files sharing. Go to Blueye, and then select the Voyage Dive Logs folder and just drag it to the desktop. You see now how it's copying this folder onto your desktop. Once it's complete, you can open it and you can see that we have all the CSV files from our Blueye app. To open these, we'll use Excel. Create a blank workbook, head to File, Import CSV file, and we'll find the same folder again, Desktop Dive Logs, and we're going to select the CSV file, and here you see some fields. I'm going to select comma because it's a comma separated CSV file. Hit next. Here you can do formatting of the different columns, but we'll just leave them as is. And we're going to leave it in the existing sheet. And here you have all the data. At the top line you see all the names for each topic. So you have access to a lot of different data. To get started, I would recommend using the time column, which is time in milliseconds, and for instance the depth column, which is in millimeters. I'll now show you an example of how you can use the time data. And just copy it into row A. And then we'll use the depth data. Copy and paste it into the depth column. And then we can do the conversion from milliseconds to seconds to minutes. So it's basically A2 divided by 1000 divided by 60. And let's format this quickly. Format cells. Remember, we can do each minute. And we also have the depths in meters. And here I just took the B2 divided by 1000 and multiplied by -1 just to make the plot more intuitive. Now, let's make a plot as an example. I'm going to head over to the Insert tab and then we'll find the Scatter and scatter with smooth lines and markers. Right click and go to Select Data. Select this. Enter. there you have it. This is the depth profile from your dive. And that took about 90 minutes or so, 80 minutes dive time. And then you can expand it and do whatever you want. Enjoy.